So right now you're checking out Graptopetulum paraguense. It's also known as the ghost plant or ghosty, and it's a succulent that's pretty popular in Southern California. It was mislabeled long ago as native to Paraguay, but it's actually native to Mexico. So this is where prime habitat for them would be, in my opinion, in Southern California. Would be in a part sun environment, so they could eventually hang over a beautiful wall 3 to 4 feet tall. These things are easy to grow. Definitely I would say this is a succulent for beginners. They have nice, beautiful, they'll get nice long branches. Purple roots will fly out of these, and they're really easy to take from cutting or even propagate from leaves. So what I like about this plant is the beautiful color, but especially the kind of structure of it. It's like my favorite angle here. And so that kind of waxy appearance is like a natural sunblock for the plant. And just the shades of the summer and that bronze up there, you know, kind of this grayish purple, or I don't even know what you call it. So there you go. Super awesome succulent, hardy to 25 degrees, and a excellent succulent for beginners to grow. Likes well draining soil, and don't overwater it. And I say part sun. It will tolerate full sun, but I bet it doesn't look very good in the middle to late summer. What else can I say? White flowers. It will bloom white flowers occasionally. They are really pretty. None of them are in bloom right now. I was sad to see. But what else? Just one of my favorite succulents in my opinion, so a must-have if you collect succulents, and really easy to grow. I bet it'll tolerate indoors pretty well, but I think you would want to I'll get them out of sun for indoors. Alright, give us a like and subscribe. We got plenty more awesome videos coming your way. Again, this is ghosty, or the ghost succulent, some people call it. Graptopetulum paraguense. Alright, have a great day. Take care. Dude, it's creepy.